Right now, you are standing on top of a hidden ocean. Not the Pacific, not the Atlantic. This one is sealed inside solid rock. Scientists believe it may hold 3 times more water than all the oceans on Earth's surface combined. And almost nobody knew it existed. For decades, the idea sounded like pure fantasy. Then a tiny diamond, smaller than a grain of rice, blew the secret wide open. Our story begins in Juena, Brazil, in 2008, where miners pull rough diamonds from muddy riverbeds deep in the rainforest. The stone that changed everything was a reject. Battered, scratched, commercially worthless. You would not have paid $5 for it. But this ugly little diamond was a messenger from a place no human being and no machine will ever visit. Most diamonds form about 100 miles underground. This one formed over 300 miles down, then rocketed up in a volcanic eruption. Trapped inside it, researchers found a mineral called Ringwoodite. It was the first sample anyone had ever seen from inside the Earth. Ringwoodite acts like a sponge. Its crystal structure can soak up water and lock it away under unimaginable pressure. When scientists analyzed the sample, about 1.5% of its weight was water. And that tiny number changes everything. Because deep below us lies the transition zone, a thick layer of rock wrapping around the entire planet like a hidden shell. If ringwoodite down there holds water like that diamond did, there could be enough to fill the Pacific Ocean 3 times over. But before you grab a drill, this is not an ocean you could swim in. No waves, no fish, no glowing sea monsters. The water is not even liquid. It is chemically bonded inside the rock, like water hiding in a solid-looking sponge. And that sponge sits under pressure that would crush a battleship like a soda can, at temperatures hotter than lava. So how do you find an ocean you cannot see or drill to? Simple. You listen to earthquakes. Every major earthquake rings our planet like a giant bell, sending shockwaves racing through the Earth from side to side. Those waves change speed depending on what they pass through. Wet rock slows them down in a very specific, recognizable way. In 2014, scientists studied over 500 earthquakes, recorded by more than 2,000 seismometers across the United States. Deep beneath North America, right in the transition zone, the waves slowed down, exactly where the hidden water should be. A diamond from Brazil and earthquake waves under America. 2 completely independent clues pointing at the same invisible ocean. And here is where it gets really interesting. This discovery might rewrite the story of where your water came from. All of it. For decades, textbooks said Earth's water was delivered by icy comets and asteroids, crashing into our young planet like cosmic water balloons. But that theory always had a problem. The chemical fingerprint of comet ice does not quite match the water in our oceans. The hidden ocean offers another answer. What if the water was here all along, slowly sweating out of the planet for billions of years? Water also works like a cake valves. It feeds volcanoes and stops in the engine. Some scientists think that without this deep water cycle, Earth might look like Venus, dry, dead, and choked by its own atmosphere. The deepest hole humans ever drilled reached about 7.5 miles. This hidden ocean begins 250 miles down. In 2022, another deep diamond, this time from Botswana, confirmed water even deeper, near the edge of the lower mantle. So next time you look at a globe, remember, most of Earth's water may be hiding down there in the dark, keeping our planet alive.